Hi there. Have you ever been in a situation where you wanted to have a quick check-in with a lawyer just to get a question answered or make sure you're not messing things up? Well, this is exactly why we're launching a new product at Corpora. It's called Legal Concierge, and it does three things for founders. First off, we provide clear answers to your startup law questions via Slack and Zoom. Whether it's about equity, hiring, fundraising, you name it, we've got you covered. Second, we let you know if the legal task is simple enough for you to take care of it yourself without messing it up. And we share with you the tools that you need to get it done. Finally, we put you in touch with top-tier startup lawyers from within our network to help you with the tasks that do require legal advice or legal services. In case you're wondering, this product isn't AI-powered. This product is human-powered. In fact, for the first 10 startups that sign up, I will be your legal concierge myself. I've practiced corporate law for over 10 years, working with hundreds of founders across all stages of the startup lifecycle, from incorporation to exit. It has never been easier to access startup law, all while being smart about your time and money. Check it out and sign up at corpora.us.